Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, just in case you don't know. If you're new here, welcome and hello. Today is day 2 of my Valentine's Day series. I'm going to be doing a pink cut crease, hence why I'm wearing the pink right now. And if you hear nibbling, I'm really sorry. I think he's done now actually, but my cat was eating and it was quite loud. He's quite the cruncher. Anyways, yeah, so let's get on to it. I'm going to be using ColourPop eyeshadows today, the single shadows. I'm going to be using Secrets, Softcore, and possibly On the Fence. So I'm going to be using my Luxie 229, and I'm going into Secrets, which is the lightest pink shade right here. Okay, going in the crease with that shade. I hate when I'm like doing a certain color and then I accidentally dip into a darker color. Okay, back into Secrets. And I don't know what's going on with my cat lately, you guys, but he's been super vocal lately. There has been some tension in the house. I know that that's one thing, but that is all settled with, and I don't know if he's just like stuck in that mode or what, but he's driving me crazy. I'm going to do both eyes on camera today because I've already done my face makeup. Well, most of it. I just have to wear a blush and highlighter, but I did my contour, I did my foundation, I did my concealer and everything because I don't get a lot of fallout with this ColourPop stuff. I don't get a lot of fallout with the ColourPop single shadows. At least not these ones. Actually, I don't really recall having fallout with the ColourPop shadows. I love the ColourPop single shadows. I like Makeup Geek too. I got 2 single shadows in one of my boxy charms from Makeup Geek and I really like them. But I can't order from them. It's just they're kind of pricey, and when you order things from the States now, we have to pay like a duty fee, and we also have to pay shipping and handling. Well, everyone has to pay shipping and handling, but we also, on top of that, we have to pay like a duty fee, so it's just really pricey for me. Okay, so now I'm going to be going into my crease, lower into the crease with Softcore, this darker shade. And this is a e.l.f. crease brush. It's like a, I think it's a blending brush more than anything, but anyway, it packs more color, so I'm going to be using that one. I just hope, by the way, you guys, I don't know if you guys know, you guys probably are wondering, why does she have a blanket or whatever on her desk? My cat is so spoiled, you guys. He has a bed on the couch, a blanket on my desk, a climber over there that he climbs on. He has a climber upstairs, and he's allowed to sleep with me. Oh, and he has a bed underneath my desk, which he never uses. I think I spent like $40 on it or something, and he never uses it. But when I'm on my computer and I'm editing or watching Netflix or whatever, he likes to lay on the blanket. So he's spoiled. I'm kind of taking it out, like sort of winging it out a little, because when I do the concealer to do the cut crease, I want it to go out further. Not quite that far. I think I kind of covered up the Secrets a little bit, so I'm going to go back into Secrets with my 229, Luxie 229, and just blend above that soft core. As you can tell, this is going to be a soft cut crease. I might actually go into another shade. Let me see what this one is. This one is Fair Play. This one right here is Fair Play. I might actually go into that shade. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm thinking I probably should. I just really want the cut crease to pop, you know? Alright, so I am going to go into that Fair Play with this Moto Pro crease brush. And I'm just putting the color just on the very tip of this. And I'm going to take it just a little lower. And I think I messed up. There's black on here. That was kind of a fail, but we'll fix it with concealer. So I forgot that I used this yesterday. And I couldn't tell because it was stained already. Like, I washed it and it was stained, so. Okay, now I'm going to be taking this little brush right here that I got from the Wish website. Well, from a friend. She got it from the Wish website. It's really skinny. I use this for the cut crease, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And I'll just put like as much as about that. I might need more, I don't know, but I'm going to use this much for the cut crease. Probably going to need more. And I don't know if you guys will remember my last cut crease. I've only ever done one full cut crease on my channel, and it was a collab. And I take it just a little higher than the crease because I have hooded eyes. Now my cat's sneezing. Bless you. I don't know if maybe he's been screaming because he's coming down with something. He just sneezed. So I don't know. And I'm going to use this pencil brush, and I think it's by Real Techniques. I don't know. It just says Detailed Lip brush on it. It doesn't have the name, and I got it like a really long time ago, so I don't really know. But I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to go back into, what is this one called? Forgot just that fast. It is called Fair Play. Going back into Fair Play, and now he's playing with his food dish. Wonderful. Okay, and now I'm going to take this Royal & Lang Nickel Detail brush here, and I'm going to go into On the Fence, which is this shimmery shade right here. And I'm just going to dab it onto the area where the concealer is. Alright, and then I'm going back into Secrets with my Luxie 229 and just blending the edges of that pink that that darker pink that I put in there, Fair Play. And then I'm going back into Fair Play again with the pencil brush. And I'm just going to use this to make like a wing. I don't have a darker pink liquid liner. I just have this one. It's too light though. This one is too light. So I will use this pencil brush and go into Fair Play and complete that wingy thing. It's not necessarily like a sharp wing or anything, but it will do the trick. See, there he is on his blanket right now. That means he's gonna chill out, thank God. Okay, so now I'm just gonna finish the other eye on off camera because this one took longer than what I thought it was gonna take. So I'm just gonna go off camera and finish this eye and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I went off camera and I did the other eye. And now I'm gonna be taking some black eyeliner into the waterline of my eye and also into the tight line. And then I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. brush right here, and I'm going to go into Fair Play, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to take that into my lash line. I cannot stand the faces that I make when I do this. This brush is actually softer on my eyes, but my eyes are so sensitive that I can feel the little tiny pieces of eyeshadow hitting my eye. I'm going to take that Royal & Lang nickel brush, the one that I applied the shimmery shadow to the concealer. I almost couldn't get that out, the concealer. And I'm going to go back into On the Fence. And I'm just going to put a little bit under the arch of my brow on both sides. One side would look funny, wouldn't it, anyway? And then I'm going to be applying it also to my inner corner. Okay, now to add some blush to this face. What did I do with my blush brush? Okay. Yes, this is what I do when I'm not even making videos and I'm doing my makeup. I'm talking to myself, where did I put this, or where is that? I'm going to be using this Mariposa, Mariposa blush that I got from the Dollar Tree. I really like this color, and it matches with the makeup that I put on today too. I think I went a little heavy-handed on it. That's okay, we'll put some setting powder over it to calm it down. It's just that yesterday when I did a video, you guys, if you saw my video from yesterday, it looked pink enough to me in the mirror, but like on camera, it didn't really look like I was even wearing blush. so I didn't want that to happen again. I guess it's not too bad. I'm going to lighten it up a little bit. If you guys saw it in person, you would know why I'm doing this. I'm just going to use my brush that I set my face with to lighten it up a little. There, that's better. Okay, and then I'm going to be using this brush that I got from ColourPop. I'm not really sure if it's a big fluffy crease brush or what. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to be using that. And I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighter. And I'm going to be highlighting these cheeks of mine. I was watching an old video earlier, and I was applying Rodeo Drive. And I still love that so much. I haven't used it in forever, but I still love the Rodeo Drive. I can't even talk today, you guys. What is wrong with me? Alright, I think I'm going to be using this Ultra Satin Lip by ColourPop, and it's called Lock Diary. I think I'll use this shade today on my lips. Honestly, you guys, I think he waits for me to do a video to eat. Okay, you guys, I'm going to pop off camera and I'm going to put some lashes on and some mascara, and I'll be right back with you with the finished look. Okay, you guys, so I popped off camera, put my lashes on and my mascara. All the products that are on my face will be listed in the description box below. This is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed actually doing it. I think it turned out pretty decent. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. I love you guys. Bye.